Yes, welcome back. Black Man Cooking Rum Steak, yeah? This is for my cook food YouTube channel, yeah? Whenever you want to travel, traveling, you find King Fire. Change from Fire Black UK, cut out that, yeah? But I already season up my meat, yeah? As I've been looking at some video a while ago, and I seen some white men put in the grill, and I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Well seasoned up. Soak. Nice. Nice season. My lighting not too good in here, but look. Well seasoned, back and front, all the night, you know. We see how black people season meat, especially Jamaican. I can show you all I look season I put tonight up there. Paprika. Yeah. Cayenne pepper. I love fire. I love hot thing. Contour. And you put some of that, you know. We should crush up some pimento, you know, yeah. I put every day a season. I had a little bit of beef season. This should probably expire. How long I got this? Dying wife. Fucking hell. I don't even want to show you the date. I need to dash you this. But anyway, if my pies people look, I just season my meat with that. I don't dash for this because it's too cheap. Yo, I don't even check date and see. I must have got that in there a long time. I've been using different season on beef. I got mutton season. Yeah, but anyway, them was the season I use for my beef right now. And some time, yeah? Yeah, some time, man. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put that. But yeah, so let me get started. Can't wait in the tracking of 4K. Wait a second, no tracking out. Yeah. No tracking of 4K. Anyway, yeah. Me never put on the grill. Me never tried them style yet. I just want to try some. I know I'm gonna chop it up and cook it. Cook it now. I want to try it with the chips like I see some people eat it all the time. So I got a frying pan there. I'm gonna brown that motherfucker. I see them put it in the grill. So I am going to heat it up on this. Everybody put this on. This is gross. Yeah. Color it light, dark. I don't see them have no coloring, so you know I'm gonna put brown in. Put some brown in pan it, some brown in. Yeah, so you can have some color after my fries. Should I? So we're gonna eat the pot, so catch you in that. Yes, I think pot hot, can put in the beef. Put in the beef, put in the rum steak, in the pot, in the pot. Look, you see it season up. Brop, 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 brop. I never cook it like this old one piece before like that. This is the rum steak, so that's gonna fry. Yes, so this is the Jamaican style of the beef. Oh, look well color. And I want to see the redness from my beef. I've seen enough of them on what do you call it? YouTube. They just season the beef, some of them fry it a little bit and then they put it in there, yo. I'll make sure that shit brown. If you want to call it black, call it black. I know some of them would eat it like that. So you say I'm going to try the famous beef and chips. So. Right in the air fryer, yeah? Right in the air fryer, that's all though. So, see? Nice and suckling. Alright. I'll put that in. And stay there if you have it. Black man like it. Well done. That's all I like, man. Rum steak. Well done. I'm a chip. So let's see how it tastes.